So hey guys, I'm sandhikshandas. Welcome back again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the password from your password protected PDF file. Here you can see this is my one pan application file, and I want to know that application number, but I have forgotten the password. So here you can see I am giving the password, but it is saying the wrong password or password is incorrect, and I am stuck. So if you are in the same case like me, you can follow the steps to remove the password from your password protected file, and make sure you are using this option as per your need and when it is only urgent. So it is very easy. So just you have to open the Chrome browser, and then you have to open this site, that is the I love PDF site, that is ilovepdf.com/unlock underscore PDF. I will also give the link in the description. So here you can see, here either you can just select that PDF file, or you can just drag and drop. You can also do from your smartphone also. Here is my PDF file, and you can add more files at the same time, and you will have to click on unlock PDF, and your password protected PDF file will be unlocked in few seconds, and you will have to click on download unlocked PDF. So that unlocked PDF will be downloaded within a few seconds. Now you can click on that, and you can see there it is asking no password, and it is already password removed. So this is the option you can access, and it is very easy. You can do it in 5 seconds or just in few seconds. So just do it, or remove your password protected PDF's password in this easy way. I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and also share with your friends and family. If you wanna know that how to create PDF from image, then you can watch my previous video. Hope to catch you soon in my next video. Till then, signing off. Bye.